If you want to disable mirror image on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max, I show you how. Actually, the mirror image is for selfie camera. You just need to open settings app and scroll down a bit and open camera and scroll down to very end. Then under composition, you can see this option mirror front camera. If this option were turned on, for example, if you take a selfie like this left hand side will be same as left and right hand side will be same as right hand side. It will not revert the image like this. So if you want to do that, just toggle this off. So after this, if you take a photo, the left will be converted into right and the right will be converted into left. So this is how it works, and if you want to know more videos about iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max, watch this playlist.